Welcome to Star Aviation's internal training video for Malaysia Airlines. Today we will be going through how to correctly service Malaysia Airlines aircraft for both turnaround and transit cleans. Malaysia Airlines aircraft types consist of different seat configurations and features. It is important to note Star Aviation is responsible for cleaning the cockpit, first class, business class, economy class, and lavatories. It is important to ensure that you're ready for your shift before you step on the aircraft. Please ensure you're wearing your Star uniform as outlined in the uniform guide. This also includes wearing personal protective equipment and safety shoes at all times. Please ensure all vacuums are fully charged and are available to use on the aircraft. Prior to commencing your shift, please ensure you have all the cleaning products required and ready to use on the aircraft. This includes any spray bottles, cloths, rubbish bags, or vacuums. Before you step on the aircraft, you should be aware of your allocated cleaning section. Please note, if you finish your allocated cleaning section earlier than expected, then please ask your team leader what other tasks you can assist with to help out the team. It is important to note that cabin cleaning employees are required to collect all general cabin cleaning waste, including paper towels, used tissues, empty drink bottles, and food wrappers. As these items are classified as biosecurity waste, such items should be disposed of in biosecurity waste bags only. To reduce cross-contamination, red wipes are to be used for cabin lavatories only. Blue, green, or white wipes are to be used for general cabin cleaning sections such as tray tables, overheads, and other services. It's important to note all wipes once used are to be disposed of as biosecurity waste. For additional information, please refer to Star Aviation's Biohazard and Biosecurity Waste internal training video. When cleaning the cockpit, it's important to note this must be done in the presence of an engineer, captain, or Malaysia Airlines crew member. Please do not touch any controls or panels. If you're unsure where to clean in the cockpit, please speak to your team leader for assistance. Areas required to be cleaned in the cockpit include removing all rubbish, collecting trash bags from technical crew, dusting or vacuuming all seats, tech crew bunk floors, and carpet. Wipe down all work tables, cup holders, sidewalls, cockpit doors, ashtrays, as well as tech crew bunks sidewalls. All soiled linen must be retrieved from tech crew bunks and replaced with fresh linen. For any uncarpeted floor, please mop. Whether you're allocated to first class, business class, or economy class, you will need to complete the following cleaning requirements. For seats, you will need to remove all rubbish from the seat pockets, replace torn or dirty seat pockets if required, dust debris from the seats, arrange seat belts in V-shape without buckles touching each other, remove stained or worn out seat covers and replace accordingly, as well as remove all headrests and replace with the new ones. Please note, if you come across an unserviceable seat, please notify your team leader immediately. The team leader will then notify an engineering staff member. For surfaces, you will be required to wipe down magazine compartments, seats, windows, baby bassinets, and railings. For bedding, you will be required to remove and replace all pillows and blankets, as well as duvets and mattresses. For floors, you will be required to vacuum all areas as well as remove any stains with approved disinfectant as required. Please note, if you find customers' personal belongings such as phone or a wallet, please notify your team leader immediately. Your team leader will notify appropriate airline representative. Star Aviation shares galley cleaning responsibilities with the caterers. Our responsibilities include removing rubbish from the sink, galley tops, crew tops, and surrounding areas, wiping the galley top and crew top, as well as mopping and disinfecting galley floors, inclusive of meal card stowage areas. If you're allocated to clean the lavatories, you will be required to clean the following. You will need to clean the waste bins, surfaces, and toilets. Please carefully watch the demonstration on how to correctly clean the lavatories on a Malaysia Airlines aircraft.
ဒါမလုပ်လို့အလုပ်မပေးဘူးဆိုတာမရှိဘူးဒါတော့ငါ့စိတ်ဝင်စားတာအဲ့လက်မှတ်ပြတယ်ဒီကိုယ်ဆိုတော့ဘာမှညာလဲပြန်တွေ့ရင်ပြန်ဖွင့်တယ်အဲ့ရိုက်ပြရတယ်အဲ့တော့ဗီဒီယိုတွေပါတော်တော်ကောင်းတာလို့
So when we start cleaning it,
ဒါလေးလောက်လာရင်အလုပ်လေးမယ်တော့မဟုတ်ဘူးလောက်လာပြီးတော့
one place where we can actually spray.
ဒါနဲ့ငါစိတ်ဝင်စားလို့
We start with the mirrors. We do a top to bottom up front. Spray the mirrors.
ဘာလို့ငါ့ကိုကြောင်းလို့ဒီဘော်ဂီနဲ့လို့ဒါလည်းလိုတာပဲပြီးတော့ကလေးလေးတင်ကလိုရလေအဲ့တော့ငါ
Bit of paper towel. Just give it another wipe to make sure it's straight free. Next up, we spray onto a cloth. We wipe with silver bits. Anything that has a silver, give it a good wipe.
ကိုယ်ကိုပြီးတိုင်းလည်းလက်မထုတ်ဘူးဝေးနေတော့ငါလို့လက်မစိတ်ချဘူးကြီး
ဒီဘက်မှာနေရတော်တော်မလွတ်လာတာလေဟိုအထက်လည်းငါတို့နေရ
အားလုံးကကိုယ်တော့စိတ်ချဘူးကြီးတယ်ငါအခုတညလည်းလုပ်မယ်တို့ပြုတ်သွားအောင်
မလေးဟဲ့
We also wipe these toilet roll holders and underneath the holders as well. And if needed, we replace the toilet rolls.
ငါကစိတ်ဝင်စားတော့ဒါမ
And also
လုပ်မ
wipe
နေရ
the
မဟုတ်
doors. And in general, around all areas that needs to be wiped. Next up, we also wipe down the baby change table. You open the tank, give it a good spray. So just turning around, there are in different lavatories there might be a mirror on the back side and the holding rails. Make sure we wipe down the holding rails as well as the mirror. We use a bit of paper towel just like before. Just to help give it a finishing touch. Good. Next up, we're going to wipe the toilet when it's around and also the toilet bowl. So spray a generous amount of Pond's Clean onto the chuck and also into the surface area. If the top of the toilet seat is wide, the top of the toilet seat is wide. Sides, either side. Lift the toilet bowl. Dispose of any trash or the rubbish. Spray. Give a good wipe. Wipe the toilet seat. Lift the toilet seat. Underneath of the seat a good wipe and also the actual seat itself. Also make sure we wipe around the toilet. Once we finish cleaning, put a new liner to the seat to see if we find the toilet is damaged. Final step, we also make sure we mop. Also, we make sure that we empty the bin. So in order to empty the bin, just open the door, pull the bin out, into the trash, into the yellow trash bag. Spray the insides of the bin with a generous amount of Pond's Clean or an air refresher or the deodorizer, and we'll replace the bin back in this one. Please note, if you come across an unserviceable toilet, please advise your team leader immediately. The team leader will then notify an engineering staff member. Remember, always operate in a safe manner. If you're unsure of your allocated cleaning section, please speak to your team leader. Please ensure you wear personal protective equipment as required. Ensure when cleaning the cabin, you use the correct coloured wipes to reduce the cross-contamination and dispose of all cabin cleaning waste in the provided biosecurity waste bags. Team leaders will then check the cabin from the back of the aircraft to the front to check team's work and to make sure that the cabin is free from any rubbish and that all seats are allocated with pillow, blankets and headrests. Finally, the cabin will be sprayed with air freshener. Thank you for watching this video and for representing the Star brand.